About 600 years ago in China, there was this person, he was an archer. He was an amazing archer. He was very talented, very hardworking, and whatever he will do is, he will go to a marketplace in every town or city or in a village, assemble a crowd for his performance. And he'll call lots of people, and what he will do, he'll take one arrow, there will be one target, shoot, hits the center. Then everybody, come on, clap. Wow, very, very nice. But now what he does, Arun takes 2 arrows. What happens? 2 targets, come on. 2 targets, more, come on. Now only it is getting started. Now our young archer friend takes 3 arrows. Everybody. Pannavana, will you do it? 3 arrows. What happens? 3 dark, come on, everybody. Wow, amazing. Nobody had seen. Now, what happens is, Inge Mudika, what our archer friend will do, he'll take a blindfold. He'll tie. He'll take 1 arrow. Everybody. The people who are standing there near the target, what they do? Gali arrow. He takes the arrow. He shoots. Everybody. Nobody had seen anything like this. He takes 1 arrow. Removes. What does it hit? Everybody, come on. So this archer became very famous. Wherever he will go, he'll attract large crowd. People will come, different cities, different places. People will come to see that who is this archer. So now he doesn't have to do any much of publicity. Wherever he'll go, he will have hundreds of people who will come and see. He will stay in every village or every town for 2 to 3 days, and then he'll collect money for his performance and he'll go away. What happened is, he landed up in a village in Chengdu, mainland China. Chengdu is known for this person. Who is this? Confucius, Chinese famous philosopher. He was in Chengdu. So what happened is, even Confucius came for this particular performance. Everybody is there and Confucius is sitting there. So our friend goes there. He doesn't know who is Confucius. The crowd is there fully, takes 1 arrow, shoots, it hits. Come on. Wow, amazing. He takes 2, shoots, everybody. Takes 3. Everybody, come on, yay! But people are waiting for what? What happened is, every time he will shoot, he will look at people, and he was a performer, no? He'll look up because he wanted a lot of claps and all the other things. But he is looking, Confucius is sitting there only doing this. Daadi pudichi இப்படி தான் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கான். எதுவுமே இல்லை, பெரிய தாடி. This is, by the way, தாடி. That's it. This guy is thinking, what is this? This old man, why is he doing like this? He had a lot of pride in what he did, correct, isn't it? He said, okay, Patrilla. He must have never seen this. He ties the blindfold, takes aim, stands, shoots, it hits there. Everybody, come on. Our friend, what he does, opens and sees who? Sees the Dadiwala, sees Confucius. What is Confucius? This man was offended. His pride got hit. People are clapping, people are making, they are clapping so much. But what is this guy doing? Nothing. What is this? He goes to the old man, he says, what happened? Why are you not clapping? Have you seen anything like this? He says, it is only a matter of P. Matter of P. What is this P? Practice. Performance. What happens is, this man says, I don't understand what is this P nonsense you're showing. The Confucius says, come with me. He takes him to his house and he says, there are 2 Chinese vase kept. The Chinese vase is having big base and a long neck and a big mouth opening. In one of the vase, there is hot oil. Sudana oil. So what Confucius does is, he holds by the handle, lifts it up and pours. The oil falls from there and enters correctly in the center. It's not touching in the side and falls directly inside, making a sound. The sound of the liquid falling. Wow. Then Confucius takes the other side, does it. He does this. This man is amazing. Confucius said, can you do this? Can you do this? This man says, no, I can't do this. But how are you doing it? He said, same thing. I cannot do archery. because you've done a lot of PPP in archery. In this I've done a lot of PPP. So what is P? Practice. P is practice. My dear friend, practice has steps. Practice makes progress. Practice makes permanent. Then practice makes perfect.
Hello,
It's a
everyone. My
matter.
name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.